In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text effects in iMessage on your iPhone. If you've ever wanted to add a little extra flair to your messages, like surprising a friend on their birthday, or simply making your messages stand out, stay tuned to learn just how simple and fun it can be. First things first, you'll need to open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Once you're there, you can either start a brand new message or jump into an existing conversation. It's really up to you depending on who you want to dazzle with these dynamic effects. Next, go ahead and type out your message. You might want to go with something celebratory like happy birthday, or keep it unique with your own personalized message. Essentially, any text you choose can be adorned with a variety of effects, so let your creativity run wild. Now, here's where the magic happens. Press and hold the send button. That's the blue upward arrow right next to your typed message. Give it a moment and you'll notice two tabs pop up at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to a world of text animation fun. The first tab you'll see is labelled Bubble. This one lets you add some cool animations specifically to your text bubble. Ever wanted to send a message with a dramatic entrance? Try out the slam effect. Or maybe you want to be bold without being overwhelming. The loud effect is perfect for that. If you're feeling sweet, the gentle effect delivers your message softly. And for the mysterious types, invisible ink allows you to conceal your message until the recipient swipes over it. Each option provides a unique way to express your words with just the right touch. Moving on, you'll notice the Screen tab. This option is all about full screen animations that take over the entire background with stunning visuals. Imagine sending a message accompanied by floating balloons or dazzling fireworks lighting up your friend's screen. Want to create a party atmosphere? Confetti showers down to celebrate any occasion. These screen effects are sure to make a memorable impact. Once you've chosen whether you'd like a bubble effect or a full screen animation, take a moment to swipe through the available options, previewing each effect. It's like trying on different outfits to see which one feels just right for your message. Once you've settled on the perfect effect, simply tap the send arrow again, and off your message goes, equipped with its stylish new twist. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to elevate your messaging game on iMessage. It's all about adding that extra bit of fun and making your messages unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and happy texting.